So we have decided to use this new product, DeckJacket, on our entire deck, in our screened-in porch and our open part of the deck, and it has completely changed the life of our deck. We absolutely love it. Before, I never came outside, didn't want to sit out here, didn't want to be out here, and this has just completely changed it. I have, since we've had it on for the last week, I've sat out here every day with no furniture. It just has cleaned up the appearance. We haven't had to do any maintenance, which is a beautiful thing when you're working with decks.
Yeah, I think from a man perspective, I think what I enjoyed most about this, a man's going to think about financial, he's going to think about investment, and the deck that we currently have constructed every 3 years, we still had to do maintenance on replacing boards. We still had to stain. That money added up. In a perfect world, when we originally did this deck, I would have loved to have Trek. Could not afford it whatsoever. And also the weight became an issue too with the size of our deck. It's why we decided on wood. And this is the most perfect replacement, to be honest with you. It's honestly an invention I never thought of was possible, and it is, and it's brought life to our deck. My kids come out here barefoot. I don't have to worry about splinters. But the great thing is, I don't have to think about staining, maintenance on boards, anything for at least 20 years. And this stuff I think is revolutionary in my opinion. So back to what I was saying about kids and with splinters. It was always a fear of ours. We at least had 2 splinters a year with our kids, especially during summertime coming running out. And with this PVC quality material, that worry's gone. You know, my daughter can say, Dad, I'm going to go play out on the deck. And I can say, okay, and not have to remind her to put shoes or socks on. So she lays on this. And it's just, what's amazing about it is, at the same time too, this deck gets sun for most of the day. And I don't have to worry about fading. I could stain our deck, and within a year, it already looks like it needs to be stained again. With this, it's permanent. And it's perfect, has enough grip to it, to where nobody can slide with shoes or socks on. It's easy to wipe off.
You know, this deck gets drilled with sun all day long, and it's so nice to be able to come out here in the middle of the day. It is cool.
Come out in the middle of the day barefoot.
Barefoot,
yeah.
It's cool. I can sit on it. I don't worry about burning my feet. It's a win-win. Also, we had our screened-in porch done. They fixed our door, which was awesome. That never closed or opened, and now it's smooth. But it's just another addition to our home. Yeah,
I feel more than anything what this addition has done to the house, instead of it feeling like an extension of the house, a deck, an outside area, by I feel this has brought the outside more in with the inside house. And this almost feels like an addition to the kitchen versus being an outdoor deck. And that more than anything is really what I think brings a value in this stuff. Is it almost creates an addition to the house instead of an addition as a deck.
All right, so what my husband and I liked about this product was that it's super easy, maintenance free, it's waterproof, and the beautiful thing is it's not glued down, it's not nailed down, it's not screwed in. It just fits into place. Once they prep the wood, it fits right in. There are grips on the inside, so it protects the wood. And then if you look right here, they have a locking system. So we don't have a concern of them moving. We don't have a concern of our kids trying to pull the pieces up. It's stuck once it's in place. So we like that it's held in place by friction, and you can't get any of the pieces up without a tool.
When it comes to installation, what I really enjoyed about this is Earl really took the time. And he was right when we first spoke with him. He says actually the maintenance and prepping the area is going to be 80% of it. Laying down the actual PVC planks is the easy part of it. And what he said was completely true. And the fact that what I like about this setup is he had to go board by board. He had to trim them so it's a perfect fit with the new fitting, but at the same time, just so it has an even look across the boards. And to me, the deck actually looks better with it on versus how it looked before, because he took the time to go through and make sure the boards were even. It was proper cuts. It's a perfect fitting and the amount of that a dedication to getting that done and getting it right. To me, it actually looks better now than it did 2 weeks ago. Day and night difference. Day and night.